Don't let snoring ruin your relationship or a good night's sleep. Learn what causes snoring and how you can cure it. Just about everyone snores occasionally, and it's usually not something to worry about. Snoring happens when you can't move air freely through your nose and throat during sleep. This makes the surrounding tissues vibrate, which produces the familiar snoring sound. Welcome to the Lifestyle Channel, where we talk about lifestyle habits that you need to know about. Click on the subscription button to support the content. Today's topic is all about snoring, what causes it, and how can you stop snoring. That being said, let's dive in. People who snore often have too much throat and nasal tissue or floppy tissue that is more prone to vibrate. The position of your tongue can also get in the way of smooth breathing. If you regularly snore at night, it can disrupt the quality of your sleep, leading to daytime fatigue, irritability, and increased health problems. And if your snoring keeps your partner awake, it can create major relationship problems too. Thankfully, sleeping in separate bedrooms isn't the only remedy for snoring. There are many effective solutions that can help both you and your partner sleep better at night and overcome the relationship problems caused when one person snores. Since people snore for different reasons, it's important to understand the causes behind your snoring. Once you understand why you snore, you can find the right solutions to a quieter, deeper sleep for both you and your partner. Common causes of snoring. Age. As you reach middle age and beyond, your throat becomes narrower, and the muscle tone in your throat decreases. While you can't do anything about growing older, lifestyle changes, new bedtime routines, and throat exercises can all help to prevent snoring. Being overweight or out of shape. Fatty tissue and poor muscle tone contribute to snoring. Even if you're not overweight in general, carrying excess weight just around your neck or throat can cause snoring. Exercising and losing weight can sometimes be all it takes to end your snoring. The way you're built. Men have narrower air passages than women and are more likely to snore. A narrow throat, a cleft palate, enlarged adenoids, and other physical attributes that contribute to snoring are often hereditary. Again, while you have no control over your build or gender, you can control your snoring with the right lifestyle changes, bedtime routines, and throat exercises. Nasal and sinus problems. Blocked airways or a stuffy nose make inhalation difficult and create a vacuum in the throat, leading to snoring. Alcohol, smoking, and medications. Alcohol intake, smoking, and certain medications, such as tranquilizers like lorazepam, Ativan, and diazepam, Valium, can increase muscle relaxation leading to more snoring. Sleep posture. Sleeping flat on your back causes the flesh of your throat to relax and block the airway. Changing your sleep position can help. Self-help strategies for snoring. There are so many bizarre anti-snoring devices available on the market today, with more being added all the time, that finding the right solution for your snoring can seem like a daunting task. Unfortunately, many of these devices are not backed up by research, or they work by simply keeping you awake at night. There are, however, plenty of proven techniques that can help eliminate snoring. Not every remedy is right for every person, though, so putting a stop to your snoring may require patience, lifestyle changes, and a willingness to experiment with different solutions. Bedtime remedies to help you stop snoring. Change your sleeping position. Elevating your head 4 inches may ease breathing and encourage your tongue and jaw to move forward. There are specifically designed pillows available to help prevent snoring by making sure your neck muscles are not crimped. Sleep on your side instead of your back. Try attaching a tennis ball to the back of a pajama top or t-shirt. You can sew a sock to the back of your top, then put a tennis ball inside. If you roll over onto your back, the discomfort of the tennis ball will cause you to turn back onto your side. Alternatively, wedge a pillow stuffed with tennis balls behind your back. After a while, sleeping on your side will become a habit and you can dispense with the tennis balls. Try an anti-snoring mouth appliance. These devices, which resemble an athlete's mouth guard, help open your airway by bringing your lower jaw and/or your tongue forward during sleep. While a dentist-made appliance can be expensive, cheaper do-it-yourself kits are also available. Clear nasal passages. If you have a stuffy nose, rinse sinuses with saline before bed. Using a neti pot, nasal decongestant, or nasal strips can also help you breathe more easily while sleeping. If you have allergies, reduce dust mites and pet dander in your bedroom or use an allergy medication. Keep bedroom air moist. Dry air can irritate membranes in the nose and throat, so if swollen nasal tissues are the problem, a humidifier may help. Lifestyle changes to help you stop snoring. Lose weight. Losing even a little bit of weight can reduce fatty tissue in the back of the throat and decrease, or even stop, snoring. Quit smoking. If you smoke, your chances of snoring are high. Smoking irritates the membranes in the nose and throat, which can block the airways and cause snoring. While quitting is easier said than done, it can bring quick snoring relief. Avoid alcohol, sleeping pills, and sedatives because they relax the muscles in the throat and interfere with breathing. Also talk to your doctor about any prescription medications you're taking, as some encourage a deeper level of sleep which can make snoring worse. Be careful what you eat before bed. Research shows that eating large meals or consuming certain foods such as dairy or soy milk right before bedtime can make snoring worse. Exercise in general can reduce snoring, even if it doesn't lead to weight loss. That's because when you tone various muscles in your body, such as your arms, legs, and abs, this leads to toning the muscles in your throat, which in turn can lead to less snoring. There are also specific exercises you can do to strengthen the muscles in your throat. No matter how much you love each other, snoring can put a strain on your relationship. If you're the one lying awake at night as your partner snores away, it's easy to start feeling resentful. And if you're the snorer, you may feel helpless, guilty, or even irritated with your partner for harping on about something you can't control. When snoring is a problem, relationship tension can grow in the following ways. Sleeping in separate rooms. While this may be a solution for some couples, it can also take a toll on emotional and physical intimacy. And if you're the one snoring, you might feel lonely, isolated, and unfairly punished. Irritability due to sleep loss. Disrupted sleep isn't just a problem for the non-snorer. Snoring is caused by disordered breathing, which means the snorer's sleep quality also suffers. Poor sleep takes a toll on mood, thinking skills, judgment, and your ability to manage stress and conflict. This can explain why communication often breaks down when you and your partner try talking about the problem. Partner resentment. When a non-snorer feels he or she has done everything possible to sleep through the night, earplugs, sound machines, etc., but the snorer doesn't take any action to combat the snoring, it can lead to resentment. Working as a team to find a snoring cure can prevent future fights. If you value your relationship, make it your priority to find a snoring cure so you can both sleep soundly. Working together to stop snoring can even be an opportunity to improve the quality of your bond and become more deeply connected. We hope you find these solutions helpful. Leave a comment in the comment section and let us know how you overcame snoring. That's all for today. See you next time.